EcoBreeze House by A+ Architects is a stunning example of integrating nature within an urban setting. Located in the bustling heart of Ho Chi Minh City, this 330 square meters residence embraces a design philosophy that allows the house to breathe, creating an intimate connection with the surrounding environment. Utilizing a steel structure over traditional concrete, the design incorporates significant wood elements and a double skin facade system, enhancing durability and environmental harmony. The house features extensive gardens and a central skylight, promoting vertical and horizontal interaction with nature, while adhering to feng shui principles. Each space within the house tells its own story, fostering a seamless blend of modern living and natural surroundings.